Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to explain how to set up alarms for groundwater monitoring in ROAK. In ROAK, you can be notified when a groundwater level rises above or drops below a specific value that matters to you. To set them up, start by going to the Networks feature in ROAK. Select your well, and then go to the Devices tab. Here you will find a list of all feeds that are coming into the well. Go to the feed that you want to monitor and click on Add Device Channel Settings. You see a menu open up with two sections. The first one is High Settings and the second one is Low Settings. Both of these have the same required fields: the alarm value, the hysteresis value, and the alarm severity. The alarm value is the threshold at which the alarm will be activated. As soon as the groundwater level passes the threshold, ROAK will trigger the alarm. The hysteresis value serves as a buffer to keep the alarm from going on and off repeatedly when the groundwater level moves around the threshold. To summarize, the alarm will be activated when the groundwater level will pass through the threshold value, but it will only be turned off once it also passes the hysteresis value. Once you've entered the alarm values and the hysteresis values, you can label your alarm with the severity. This decides how urgent the alarm appears to users. It does not change the behavior of the alarm, but it will change how clearly it stands out within other notifications. When you're happy with your settings, you can scroll down and click Save. You can add alarms on any incoming feed in ROAK. A small bell icon next to the feed name indicates that this feed already has an alarm. After setting up the alarm, you still need to subscribe to them in order to receive the notifications. You can do this in the Info tab. In the bottom right corner, there is a button called Manage Error Notification Subscription. In this dialog, you see two drop-down menus, one for the system error severity and one for the data error severity. Subscribing to system errors means that you will receive notification from the well devices, such as the modem and the diver. These alerts have predefined labels. If you choose Notification, you will receive all the messages that are coming from the well devices. But if you choose Alarm, you will only receive the messages that are labeled as alarm or more severe. If you choose Emergency, you will only get a notification for the most critical alerts from the modem. The same logic applies to the data error severity. This covers the alarms you have just set on your feeds. You can play around with different labels on multiple feeds or across different wells, allowing you to prioritize what matters most. This way, your notifications stay relevant and tailored to your work focus and projects.